Hi, my name is Christine Sanderson. I work with Coldwell Banker here in Delray Beach, Florida. Today we are in the beautiful neighborhood of Coral Ridge in Fort Lauderdale. Welcome to 2832 Northeast 37th Court in the Coral Springs neighborhood of Fort Lauderdale. This gorgeous 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath home has been completely gut remodeled as if it were brand new, boasting over 4,761 square feet. This light and bright layout offers only the luxury life that you may want, perfect for any boater, only 2 blocks from the Intercoastal. There is a 100-foot dock, pool, spa, and 25,000-pound boat lift with no fixed bridges. To have a booking today, contact Christine Sanderson at 561-404-4412. Let this be your passport to paradise. Offered at $5,975,000. Book your appointment today to see this true gem in Fort Lauderdale.